Are you ready to get rid of the clown lips and replace it with beautiful, bold red lips? First, I want you to exfoliate your lips. You could just use olive oil and pure cane sugar. Next, using a solid lip primer is so important to prevent smudging and making sure your lips stay vibrant. Make sure that you allow the primer to dry completely before you start the liner and the color. I know this sounds crazy, but on the outer edge of your lip, we are actually going to start with brown eyeliner. This is going to create depth and dimension, and it will blend more naturally into the lips. This provides a gradient effect and avoids that overdrawn, creepy clown look. Next, we're going to go in with the red liner below the brown. This provides a seamless transition into the red without the harshness. And I'm using Graftobian's Red Hot Pro Pencil Lip Liner. Next, I'm going to go in with my BOM 435, and we're going to blend both colors together to soften any harsh lines and create this smooth transition. I chose the color Ruby Slippers by Natural Born Cosmetics because it has these beautiful gold flecks inside of it, and it makes the red have more dimension and depth under the stage lights. I also use a brush for application so that I have more control over layering, and just the application in general looks more professional. The very last thing I do is I just go over the inner edge of the lip with the red liner, and it just creates a more defined finish. To lock in my look, I'm going to use the Setting Sealing Spray by Graftobian. For a stronger hold, you can use the MagicSet to really seal in the lipstick. Drop a comment below and tell me what your experience is when you try this tutorial. Grab all my products below in the description.